my name is Harshul Agrawal and today I am going to share my views upon the topic, is India is getting digitalizing or it is a delusion? Now let's break this statement digitalizing and delusion into two words. Now what is digitalization? Digitalization is basically we are texting or using or sharing the pictures in the digital format. Like I am talking to my friend physically I am talking to my friend, that is called normally. But digitally what? I am doing the video call, that is called as digitalization. And what is the delusion? Delusion is like and kind of a myth, like it is real or not. So, when does internet arrive? Internet arrived in 19 August 1995. So, you can understand that internet have been arise since 1995, but its uses have been increased after 2015. Why? So, it has taken a lot of time. Because of the digitalization decreasement. Now, like it can be say like people was not knowing about the digitalization, so there was a kind of an illiteracy about the digitalization work. So now it is very much increased, like it has been boosted a lot. So why so? Like in late 2005, there was a time in which we were doing physical jobs or we were taking the interview, like we are going places to places for the interview and sharing our resume and CV, supplies C, and they take the interview. Now what had happened? So let's take the example of the right now situation in which we are called as a pandemic situation. So in pandemic situation, everything is work from home. Exactly. So we are doing the video call, like if you want to take the interview or if you want to give our interview, we are just taking the digitalization work. We are taking the help of the video call like Google Meet, Zoom, etc. And there are plenty of apps from which we can take the help. So digitalization is increasing rapidly. So let's categorize in which sectors it is getting increased. The number one sector is IoT, Internet of Things. I hope everyone know about IoT. Like IoT users have been increased so much fast that it is like unbelievable speed. Like in 2012, it was just the up to the million users. But right now, in the 2020, according to the census study, 2020, the users of the IoT connected devices have been increased up to 50 billion. Like all over the world, 50 billion things are connected to the IoT. And right now, there are so many companies, so many startups which are on digitalization, like digital marketing, digital business, or like we can say the Arduinos and programming and microcontrollers and many other sectors. Agriculture sector is also getting digitalized. Why so? Because this era is now increasing, and this pandemic time shows us the picture of the digitalization. If this digitalization process will increase faster and faster, how it will look? It will be like an imaginative picture we are able to watch. Like we are at home, we are completely like locked in the room. So this from here we can understand if there is a situation comes in the future when we don't have the backup plan and we are completely digitalized, we are completely dependent upon the digital technology. So how we will overcome this situation? We are facing and understanding it, and we are also getting many other solutions. Like there are many other unsolved topics which were left undiscovered. Now it is getting discovered. Why so? Users are increasing. Now internet users have been increased a lot. I can say almost 70% in internet users have been increased. According to the YouTube study, the YouTube users have been increased in a month about 250 million users alone from the India. So you can understand like the YouTube is getting maximum number one rank is our country. Why so? Because we are totally dependent right now on the digital technology. And there are also like hospitality sector. Now like we go in hospitals. Sometimes if we got the injury, or if there is an headache or some kind of an other problem, we take the like we just call the doctor and go to the hospital and take like ask from him. But right appointment time. But right now what is happening? We are taking the health, like there are many apps from which we are just taking the appointment, and they are just taking the video call and just telling like, okay, you have this problem, you take this medicine, and now we can buy the medicine online. And there are many e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, and etc. 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 There are numerous number of sites. So from this you can understand even Google use have been increased a lot. So from these sectors, like it is like a kind of an imaginative futuristic picture we are able to analyze. Like internet users have been increased. Digitalization have been started by Shri Narendra Modi in 19 July 2015. So it started from 2015, but right now it is completely digital. I'm not saying it is complete, it is a kind of a partial statement. Like 50% it was digitalized, but right now it is becoming 70% digitalization. 30% are not can be considered as digitalization process. Why so? Because there are many sectors left which are not being covered in the digitalization process. But the digitalization era is increasing, and I hope in maybe in 5 to 10 years it will cover all these sectors completely digitalized. Like privatization of a public sector, you can understand. So from this you can understand like digital era is increasing. Social media is the one of the bestest example of digitalization. So many influencers, so many people are getting popularized and getting attraction from the social media, and so many businesses are getting started from the social media, and many other people are also getting inspiration to get start their business or their startup online, because they are thinking and they are also able to analyze, like in the internet industry, in the digitalization industry, the profit is almost 100 times than the normal physical industry topic. Because if I have an idea, okay, if I want to build a car and I plant an industry in the physical era, so what will happen? I want to have to do its branding. But right now what I can do, I can just make its video, if I can make its website from the internet site. So people can just contact me, okay, I want to buy this car, you can add this much features. Like there are many types of websites now. So OLX, there are websites from which we can sell and resell process. So from there you can understand, isn't it? And there are many other processes like daddy.com, and there are many other sites from which we can buy a domain, start the website and plant an industry and do its branding, and it will increase. So from this you can understand how digitalization era is increasing. So at last I just want to say digitalization is increasing in India rapidly, and it will last forever, and it will increase like this forever. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.